Nag-aalangan ka ba or takot ka bang mag-take risk? Ito man ay mag-invest sa isang negosyo, pumasok sa isang relationship, or taking the chance na mag-apply for a job na di ka ganun ka-competent. To a certain extent, kinakailangan nating mag-take risk kung nais natin ng growth or positive change sa buhay natin. Otherwise, we'll get stuck sa kinalalagyan natin. Sabi nga sa isang quote, "You can't get anywhere in life without taking risk." And further, if you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Uncertain or unpredictable man, risk-taking in some instances can open up new opportunities and possibilities. However, mahalaga na pag-isipang mabuti kung worth it nga ba na mag-risk. Lalo na pagdating sa business, importante ang cost-benefit analysis. Calculated risk-taking ang tawag doon. It's very essential that we carefully assess our current situation and see if potential benefits of risk-taking outweigh the cost. Though, there's no guarantee naman talaga that we get the exact outcome that we desire. Risk-taking can be life-changing and rewarding. Without risk-taking, however, we'll never know what's on the other side. Let's make a conscious effort then to conquer our self-doubts and fears, leave our comfort zone, explore, learn new things, and maximize our potential to achieve greater things, even extraordinary ones. As long as we do not endanger our well-being and that of others, and as long as your heart is ready to whatever consequences, and as long as you're willing to lose something kung di man maging maganda ang kalalabasan, don't be afraid to step up to the challenge. Not taking action can be risky too. Let me quote Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook. Sabi niya, "The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing really quickly, the only strategy guaranteed to fail is not taking risks."